concept vehicle, displayed at last week's Frankfurt Motor Show, showcases what Audi sees as the future of off-road driving. The partly autonomous, fully electric car's most unusual feature is the 5 drones it sports instead of conventional headlights. The drones fly autonomously above and around the car to illuminate not just the path ahead, but the area on either side. The cabin is also different in that there is no conventional instrumentation. Rather, there is a steering wheel and a slot that accommodates a smartphone. It looks after everything from the speed readout and navigation to the infotainment functions in one neat package. Likewise, the camera-based mirrors show the side views in screens mounted to the A-pillars. The outdoor theming continues with grab handles made from climbing rope and knotted using macrame techniques. Several outdoors-orientated accessories are removable in the same manner as the hammock chairs. There are water bottles, binoculars, and a light companion, which provides ambient lighting when fixed inside the car but serves like a powerful lantern when removed. One option is to integrate it with the AI Trail's navigation system and use it to project directional symbols or other information. If you like this video, a hiking route, help us to continue growing by subscribing and joining this channel. We will keep you informed about the latest news in the automotive world. Thanks for your collaboration. See you on the next video.